Thank you very much, Madam Speaker, for the opportunity to respond. And I hope that my response will be taken to have some substance, if not sound bites. The member for Naparima remarkably allowed himself, in my view, to trivialize the fact that we have come to this House to renew the order which has already been passed by this House and to renew it for an indefinite period. And he's attempted to trivialize it in terms which I think, quite frankly, does a disservice to the people of Haiti. Because the fact that we take the time and the trouble to come to this House to ask this House to renew the order is because we care about the people of Haiti. So asking the members on the other side to debate the passage of the order, which is the resolution which is before this House, is not to waste the time of the House. That's my first point. In fact, I thought it necessary to make that point because given the injury which the people of Haiti have suffered for hundreds of years, and in the face of the current CARICOM initiatives which are underway, it is psychological PTSD to claim that by us asking the people of this country in this House through their elected representatives to commit to this resolution is to do psychological injury to the people of Haiti. The member for Naparima sought in his contributions to suggest that there is some discrimination about the fact that visas are required for Haitians while he was speaking about Venezuelans. And the fact of the matter is that both Haitians and Venezuelans are required to have visas to enter this country. So there is no question of discrimination. And the rationale for requiring visas is part of the very security that we have to ensure we put in place, one of the reasons why we are here today, so that the trafficking of persons, the movement of persons into and out of Trinidad can be addressed from a security point of view by the requisite visa scrutiny that is engaged when someone wishes to travel into this country. Madam Speaker, the member for Princestown spoke loudly and a lot. But he is essentially fundamentally misinformed about that which he spoke so much about, and that is to allow himself to remark that the Prime Minister of this country, who has quasi-responsibility, who has responsibility in the quasi-portfolio for security in CARICOM, is not doing anything about Haiti from a security point of view. And it is interesting when we look at a media statement which was issued on behalf of the government on the 3rd of August, 2023, what that media statement said. The government of Trinidad and Tobago welcomes Kenya's decision to commit 1,000 police officers to support the Haitian National Police and Kenya's willingness to consider assuming leadership of a multinational force at the request of Haiti for the purpose of providing assistance in alleviating the security crisis in the Haitian nation. In the interest of the people of Haiti, the CARICOM community established the Eminent Persons Group and mandated it to facilitate dialogue and consensus building among Haitian stakeholders with the aim of resolving the political impasse. Trinidad and Tobago remains committed to this process. And the point is that that eminent persons group is a group of former prime ministers put together through the resourcefulness of other current prime ministers of CARICOM, led in particular by Dr. Rowley with his responsibility for security within the CARICOM quasi-cabinet. And that eminent persons group consists of Dr. Kenny Anthony of St. Lucia and two former prime ministers, one of Jamaica and one of the Bahamas. And they are, as we speak, working with the people of Haiti to help stakeholders, Haitian stakeholders, resolve their political impasse. It is a delicate, careful process that has to be engaged in with resolve, with will, and quietly, not to be shouted for soundbite purposes from rooftops and empty barrels. And if I may say lastly, this suggestion that the government, the Attorney General's ministry, is doing nothing, notwithstanding having asked this House to pass the last resolution, and notwithstanding coming to the House today to ask this House to pass this resolution. The fact is that there are processes that have been drafted, court processes that have been drafted, that rely on this resolution being passed so that when the applications are made to the court, this resolution will be referenced in those court applications. And I'm not about to say in relation to whom, because I don't want to alert those persons in relation to whom those applications will be made when the court process is filed. So, Madam Speaker, without belaboring this point, I ask that this House pass the resolution before you, and I beg to move. Thank you.